How to create a WordPress website. In 3 steps, we will create a website. Number 1, number 2, number 3. So step number 1, download WordPress. To do this, go to the Google, type WordPress download. Lot of result will showing us. Just click on download WordPress, wordpress.org. Click here. So our page is loading. So it is the main interface of the wordpress.org. Just scroll down and click on download. Just I am click on download. Our file is downloading. So our download is complete. We will keep it in the download folder. So this file is download as a zip file. So at first we will extract our file. To extract our file, we'll find our file. Here it is. Just click on right button and click the extract. So here our XAMPP server. So click on explore. In the explore, find the htdocs. Here it is, htdocs. So just create a new folder. This folder name is your website domain name. I am creating a folder. Just put the name whatever it is. Be careful. This folder name is your website name. So here I am typing my website name. That means folder name. After that, I am opening my folder and paste my WordPress. Here I will extract my zip folder. Extract is very easy. Just click on right button and click extract all. Click extract. Our file is extracting. It may take few moments. Just okay. Our file extracting is complete. So after extracting, we will copy or cut all file. We will cut all file and paste it in the our Bangladesh folder in the folder section. Paste it here and we will delete our WordPress and extract zip file. WordPress zip file 2 folder we will delete. It is not our WordPress. So our first step is complete. And start XAMPP server. And we will go to step number 2, create a database. To create the database, write localhost and press enter. From this page, click on phpMyAdmin. Here just click on new. Just type your database name. I am typing my database name. Then click on create. Our database is created. So step number 3, install WordPress. To install the WordPress, go to the search bar and type localhost, and which folder name you put, just type the folder name. We will wrote our folder name Bangladesh. So I am typing my folder name Bangladesh. Folder name is our website name. Press enter from keyboard. It is the just click on continue. Our installation process is running. Then click let's go. Type the database, which database previously we created in step number 2. I am typing the database name and username always root and password should be blank. Database host localhost, table prefix just leave it, then click submit. Run the installation. Click on run the installation. So here some information, site title, the footer title of your website. Just I am typing my website title. Then website username, which username you should use to log in your dashboard. Put username and password. Then click on check this box, confirm password. Then type the email address. Then check this box, it will help you. Then click installation WordPress. Our WordPress is installing. Installation is running. It take few moments, just wait. Okay, success. Our WordPress website is created. So it is the username and password. If you want to log in your dashboard, then click the login or just visit the website. I am typing my website address. My WordPress address is localhost. Every website in localhost, at first type localhost, then your folder name. My folder name or website name is Bangladesh. Just I am typing and press enter. Hello world. Okay, congratulations. That means our website is created. So in the next video I will show you how to customize and how to decorate the website. So if you have any question about this blog, just leave your comments in the comment section. Like our video, share with your friends and subscribe our channel. If you want to see next video how to customize the website and decorate the website, just let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.